What's up guys, Colin here for SammyGuru, and today we're going to be talking about One UI 8.5 and the removal of a lot of the recovery options here in the Android recovery menu when you hold power and volume up while starting up your device. We saw this first in One UI 8.5 Beta 6 in the US, where a lot of these options got removed, and this continued on to the Galaxy S26 series in the Day 1 update. As you can see, we only have three options in here now: reboot system, wipe data, and power off. We don't have the ability to apply an update from ADB, the SD card, or to wipe the cache. Now, a lot of people won't access this menu. A lot of, day-to-day, your average users won't use this, but people running the betas, people doing a lot of software development, you might come in here to clear the cache after an update. That was actually one of the recommended tips that we used to promote, was coming in here and clearing your cache after a big update, just to kind of start everything fresh. Obviously, clearing the cache did not wipe your data, but it just cleared the temporary cache, and it usually would make the device run a little bit smoother right after an update. Now that option is no longer here. You can no longer do that. A lot of people were reporting on the Galaxy S26 Ultra on the Day 1 update. They did remove the ability to access the download mode, which took away the ability to use Odin to flash firmware. So if you needed to do a software recovery or anything like that via Samsung's Odin tool, you could not access that anymore. It does look like, however, people are now reporting, we weren't able to test this just quite yet, but people were reporting that if you go into the device, we'll go ahead and start it back up here, but if you go into your device and you enable maintenance mode, that you are still able to access the download mode while maintenance mode is enabled. We're unsure right now whether that is just a oversight on Samsung's part and they have not removed it from maintenance mode, or if that is now how it is intended to be used. But people are reporting not all versions of Odin are working with that mode. It looks like some people are having to download patched versions of Odin, or different versions of Odin to access it via that. So we're not sure if that's something that will be kept in future updates. But as of right now, on One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 Ultra and One UI 8.5 Beta 7, which just started rolling out, these are the options currently available on Samsung devices running One UI 8.5. So it looks like they have taken a lot of the recovery options out. So if you just go into settings here, you can just search maintenance mode. It's in the device care section down here on the bottom. If you tap down there and you enable that, it will give you some access, it looks like right now, to download mode. Maintenance mode is also available and used for if you send your device in for repair, or you take it somewhere to get like the screen replaced. It will allow technicians to use the device to test features, make sure everything's functioning properly without saving any data or being able to access the data on your device. So right now, if you're a enthusiast or somebody that used to install betas and stuff like that, maybe you were installing betas via ADB or download mode because the beta wasn't available in your country, Samsung has removed a lot of that. It looks like it's probably to keep people from installing the builds that have been leaked. Looks like Samsung is trying to get that under control pretty tightly, which is pretty unfortunate because it's also removing a lot of the software repairability from people that just need to maybe revert back to something, or flash firmware because there's a software issue on their device. A lot of those features and the ability to do that is looking like it's being taken away or limited. So I'm Colin with SammyGuru. You can check out SammyGuru.com for more articles on this topic and more information as it becomes available. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.